Mabuhay and welcome back to El Gordo's Total Body Strength Program, session number 7. As you recall, in session number 2, we have 6 upper body exercises. We've done 4, so we've got 2 left. I have to confess that these last 2 are probably the most difficult, so I'm going to recommend that when you start with the easiest variation of each of these 2. So today we're looking at the shoulder press. The target areas will be the upper shoulder, upper back, and both upper and lower arm, as this is a press, another press exercise. Okay. The variations that we'll be doing is the basic, which, as I said, may be a little tough to start, and then a couple of a little easier, a mini like the push-up, and then a standing one, and then a more difficult one. So let's get on with it, and I'll display each of those variations right now. First is the basic. You're going to get down. The shoulder press is similar to a push-up. Now watch the difference. It's important that you see the difference here. The push-up is you lower your chest between your hands and push up. And when you do that, you should feel the emphasis on the chest muscles. With the shoulder press, the main target is the shoulder muscles. So now you must move, same position, feet up, move your body back, and instead of lowering your chest between your hands, you lower your head between your hands. And that shifts the emphasis on the shoulder, upper shoulder muscles. So demonstrating the basic. All right, here's the push-up position. Shift back and now lower my head. Okay, so you put your head down, make sure it's between your arms, and you'll feel the stress on your upper arms, your shoulders. Okay, so variations, easier variation. One is like the push-up again. This is probably the easiest one, is use a vertical surface, so standing against the wall, or I'll use the table, against a firm table. Of course, this one's attached, so it's not going to move. Same as the push-up, but again, instead of lowering my chest, putting my head between my arms, lowering my head right down to my hands and pushing up. All right? Much easier than on the ground. A little more difficult variation, but easier than the basic, is what I like the push-up. We have a mini. We had a mini push-up, a mini shoulder press. Same thing, watching here. Back into the regular position, head between the arms, and come down just a little. And as you get stronger, come down a little lower, until eventually you can come down all the way. Okay, now the last variation is the tough one. Back to my chair again, feet up on the chair, which raises your body up some, and that is going to shift some of your weight higher, more pressure on the shoulders. All right, demonstrating. Feet are now up on the chair. Head between the arms. Okay, and that's it. Again, most of the stress on the upper shoulder or deltoid muscle. So be careful with that. Like I said, it's a tough one, and start out easy, gradual progression as I outlined in session number 2. All right, see you in session number 8.